What's up, y'all? Easy breezy. Trying to make my first home improvement video. About to show y'all how to change out your wall socket. This is actually my second one I'm about to do. The first one I did was in the kitchen. Seemed like it did pretty good. I mean, I could plug stuff up to it. It's working now, so it actually wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be. So far, I just took the face off of the wall. You see the joints burnt out or whatever like that. I'm about to unscrew these little side pieces, and I gotta take this take the little socket out, take the wires off. You turn the power off to your you turn the designated outlet off in your basement to make sure, you know what I mean, you don't get hurt or nothing trying to do this. Like I say, the first time for me was a success, so I'm happy about that. And like I say, it actually ain't as difficult as I thought it was. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna unscrew these joints. I'm not a trained professional, so please don't try this at home if you don't feel comfortable doing it. But, I mean, like I say, if I could do it, anybody could do it. You just gotta have the want to do it. That's it. And this is definitely a way overdue process. Okay, so now we got them wires up. You're gonna have to jig with this sometime a little bit. Try to get it up. Man, be careful. Try to wiggle it out there a little something. Alright. I don't know if you can see that. Well, yeah, you should be able to see that. Right here, on top of that, is two screws. You gotta loosen them up. You don't actually got to take it all the way off, but it was just, I couldn't get that joint from unhooked around it, so I took that screw off. But you gonna loosen it so that this part right here can come off, and you also going to do the same thing on the other side as well. Yeah, man. So you do one side at a time, so you can match it up. You get your new one. You know what I mean? So that way, kind of know what you're gonna do. You're gonna put your new one, attach it to that right there, that first one, and then you're gonna attach the other side to that one right there. Alright, so I done put the new one in and screwed the pieces back on. I'm about to finish screwing this joint back into the wall, and we're gonna see if it worked. I mean, you could use a power drill too if you really feel you need to. Oh, make sure you got it set the right way. I guess that would be faster if you don't want to just use a manual screwdriver. You don't need it per se, but you know, if you want to use it, cool. But it. Now let's see something here. Okay. Okay. Alright. That should be in there kind of cool. Alright. So now I'm about to turn the power back on. Try to plug something up in this thing. And we're going to see what happens from there. Alright. So we're going to try the heater real quick. See if this works. What we doing? Bam. Look at that. Success. So, that right there. Easy breezy. First home improvement video. Put a thumbs up if you liked it. Put a thumbs up if you didn't like it. You know, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Hope it was some sort of helpful. If you like me, not a handyman, but you just want to try to, you know, fix some shit up around your own house. That's about it. Be easy. Need a little pair of pliers, screwdriver, flathead, or, you know, fill up depending on, you know, what the screws are inside your wall socket. Little wire outlet. You ain't gotta get this kind. I mean, they got ones, I think they're a little bit cheaper from Home Depot. Something. It's like $1. Like, not even $1, I think. Like 79 cents a dollar, something like that. I think this was like $2. But they pretty much all serve the same purpose. I mean, power drill maybe, if maybe the screw giving you a little trouble, but I mean, it ain't really needed. And that's about it, you know. Oh, well, actually, you know, for the screws that I did have that was in the socket, I needed a Phillips screwdriver. So you may need at least flathead, Phillips screwdriver, and at least pliers. Obviously, you got about a wall socket. Power drill if screws giving you a little trouble. But I don't really think it's necessary. And that's about it.